Yes, hi everybody, my name is Oscar Kibet. Today we want to unbox the Keywin 16 volt drill. Initially, I have used the Bosch and also the Tolson, but now we want to try this one. The reason why I chose this one is because it is brushless, and then again it has 16. It has a bigger battery capacity. Most have 12, but this one has 16.8. So let's try this one. Yeah, so this is the manual. This is already the manual, and then you have the battery. This is the battery. One thing I liked about this is that it has a bigger capacity, which means it can power for longer as compared to the other one. And then now we have the charger. This is the charger. Yeah, it also has the light here. So when you put it on, it powers here. At least this is a 3-pin. One thing I like about 3-pin, it is much easier to plug to the power source. So that's the charger. And then now we also have, this is the drill now itself. Wow, it looks quite impact. It also has, you can adjust torque. This is for torque. And then it also has speed. You can adjust to 1 and 2. And then I noticed it's quite compact. And then it also has the LED light here to check on the battery level. And then the switch, this is the power switch. So I'll power it on so that you guys can see. So it's very simple. You just insert the battery like that, and there you're good to go. So next, you just press the power switch, this one. So the torque runs up to, I've noticed the torque runs up to 20, but me, I'll be fine with 8. Yeah, no, I'll be fine with 14. 14 is fine. Now this one, you can also use it as a screwdriver. So the torque comes in when you're using the screwdriver, such that you don't break the screws or anything. Actually, I had to make this choice because there's also something called the impact driver. Now the impact driver is quite different from this. The advantage with the impact driver is that when you press the trigger, it has a hammer. So the hammer assists in driving the screws inside with the concentric blows. So you can see this is quite handy. So when you press one is the moderate speed. But now when you click on this one, if you want it to go faster, no, this is much slower on 2. So if you click on 1, it is much faster. As you can see, it has the LED light here, and then also it has 2 LED lights. This one shows you the battery level, and then this one shows you when it's on. So when you press on, that's when you're able to see how it works. So actually, I would have preferred this to the Tolson because of quality and the battery life, because this one goes much longer. Yeah, so that is it for now.